I think I see man this one.
Yeah.
This one named sea man. Those are those pretty one up there, Irish mash. The one here, it cure every sickness, this red one. Every sickness where people have.
Irish mash.
Boil this one.
Irish mash.
I'm going to take it up in your hand. Harder, you know.
Sea moss. Okay.
See?
And then the thinner one, finer one?
Yeah,
is the
moss.
Irish moss.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And this one, every sickness that people have, this one cured. This is the red one that.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Now lift it up, Patty, don't lift it up.
And this is land moss.
Brains food, this one. Me I go boil that one there, you know.
Oh, wicked. So all dried up and ready to go.
Yeah, they're dry already.
Wicked.
But I'm going to one that we are going to deal with.
Okay, that's cool.
We're going to boil that one but not today.
Tomorrow.
I one of them day maybe tomorrow.
Sunday.
Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow or Sunday. Tomorrow, man, we can boil it and drink it too, just like that.
Alright.
Done with the sea, man. Yeah, done with that one, you know. Yeah, man.
So what kind of drink do you want to make with the sea moss?
No, nothing more, just Irish man juice, just juice.
Oh, just straight up Irish moss juice? Okay.
Yeah, man.
I thought it was always sort of mixed with something else.
No, sir.
Okay.
Straight like how you see it, like, nobody not put nothing in them. We can't put it in them. We are going to put it in them.
I don't know.
Yeah, what taste bad. you put, we can put linseed too.
Oh, yeah.
I think they call linseed. And like a pretty little thing, but we don't have it. Where you buy at the pharmacy or somewhere. Somewhere they sell it. But we don't have it, we don't use it. We just use it pure, man.
Okay.
Just like that. But that one had the terriblest one. That cure every fucking thing where you say, where people say bad everything, you know, sickness, you know. That one there. I'm glad when them see it now, because they know it's Irish mash, sea moss, seaweed different. I mean, no weed, you know. Because some think of seaweed. But the sea moss, the stick pretty one. The other one, them Irish mash. You can boil them in your soup too, you know. And good for your nerves. Irish mash good for your nerves, you know. Yeah, man. Feed for your nerves, you know. Put it on the fire and boil them backside up. This, no, oh my God.
Yeah, way thicker.
Let me not tell you, man.
Very light, too. Now when it's dried up, very light. And look how, when you hold them side by side, it's like a whole different thing.
So I'm just.
That one they like. You can put down their soup in and their dinner, you know. And just boil out just with the food, fast. All of them boil out fast, man, but you just soak them like how I go soak it, you know. Yeah.
This.
What is?
Yeah.
You want to lime there? The ripe one.
Right one. This one?
Yes, sir.
You can't throw one on our kids.
We'll see what
it.
We'll see what them, you know, something.
This? One of them?
Tomorrow, man, we drink. Until let us eat. You not spray that tomorrow, you know. You not fucking spray that tomorrow, man. Class.
You just say they'll just melt, right?
Milk, man. Can't drink it black with sugar. Sweeten it with sugar, but when you put it in milk, it's 50%.
When you put it in nothing.
It's alright, Kim, man. But this one of the mad thing. If people sick and drink that, you survive. You no matter what you want to know where you're sick with. You don't want to boil that and drink it. You know, time you survive. God, you can't make no teeth. Two things you can't teeth with. Yeah, you can't teeth with one. But you can't teeth with the power jar. Water boy and let you go. Everybody knows you around us who fall tree to rise. Even people where you don't hide from. Yeah, and it don't have privacy at all. Just like the phone, man.
Mm.
Phone don't have no privacy, everybody want to know where you're there. Sometimes I say where you want to know me there for. Oh, what's up? Oh, what's good right here?
We're lying there.
Ooh.
Good, no.
That's it, man. Wow.
So like 8 cook faster, you know.
Okay.
When you watch it to the line,
Yeah. Interesting. Like the acid breaks it down or something.
it do something to it.
Huh.
You have to come back with a new rape. I'll have to buy some chain
Mm-hmm.
to my dog. And then take them around out and them do fuckery, you know? I could get sharp, you know, want to.
That quickly.
Mm.
See? Oh yeah, it's like. Oops.
Get sharp.
Ocean coming back to life. Huh. Yeah. It's like it comes alive again.
Sharp up back.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, then they get fucking. Sharp, as they put them in the water, then it melts you, you know, they strain him off and drink him, you know.
So cool.
Yes, sir. That's why I do it from now. When I put it on the fire tomorrow morning, it don't have no time. You have to soak it, you know. Because it's hard, it's then tough. When you soak it, it's better. Now maybe after this, maybe a coconut.
Okay.
Coconut cake.
So you'll let it soak for a full day, basically.
One night and one day, man.
Okay.
You soak it for.
Then we'll get back to it to boil it up.
Yeah, tomorrow morning we boil it and drink it.
Cool.
Big and serious, nothing left in there. Now you cane piece or something, not strain and nothing. That simply means to say no jug, nothing go past it, you know. Go through that.
Right.
Good. When you drink it, I have no doubt. Good. One good thing they maybe put in it perhaps, and nothing make it. see it.